September 4, 2024, and I'm at the Bona Dea trails at Washburn Park near Russellville, Arkansas. It's a little bit of a drizzle. It's a very birdy morning. Here's a green heron out in this kind of marshy area. And here's some blue jays making a racket. And here is a great egret. Just heard a white-eyed vireo. Some ducks out here. I'm not sure what they are. I'm guessing blue-winged teal, but I haven't got a very good look at them yet. Actually, I think these are wood duck out here. Yeah. Looks like a female wood duck. Here's the third green heron I've seen out here at Bona Dea today. This big pond area. There's a cardinal chipping around by me. A titmouse. Of course, blue jays. Here's a better view of that egret. Carolina wren singing here. I kept hearing that indigo bunting. Finally, I see it down there. Seen one blue one and one brown one. The brown one's probably a female, or maybe it was an immature male. This one's still quite blue. There he is, out more in the open, and now he's hiding. There's a bee I just saw right there. Another Carolina wren. Pine warbler up there. There's a hooded warbler. Dang it, they sure don't sit around long. There was a red-bellied woodpecker, but dang thing's hiding out now. Maybe it'll come back out. There it is.